Hi friends, using WordPress CMS we can create wonderful and perfect business websites. We just need to select a suitable WordPress theme for our website and our website requirement. We have seen hundreds of themes on this channel, and in this video we are going to overview a multi-purpose WordPress theme through which you can create any type of business website. Yes, it is the advantage of a multi-purpose theme. You can target any website. Especially the theme that we are going to use is named as Outgrid, and it is of course a multi-purpose Elementor WordPress theme, and you can target many websites. Yes, so AI software, biotech company, car loan, cleaning company, chatbots, charging solutions, cloud solutions, copywriting tools, corporate, and the crypto wallet, crypto app, and I can see electric vehicle lending, finance app, electric scooter, finance consulting, finance solution, and many more. So we have 40 plus pre-made websites, and this is the theme that we are waiting for. Then finally the WordPress theme you have been waiting for is here, and it is called Outgrid. So we are going to overview this theme, and it has been developed by the UI core team, and they are elite author at themeforest.net. So let us quickly install this theme, and I must tell you this theme is available just for $19 through the video description link, and it has got 5-star ratings from the current and existing users. So it means it is definitely going to fulfill your desire and your requirement as a multi-purpose WordPress theme. So I have opened some pre-made websites as well. This is for car, the biotech company, and the AI software, cleaning company, the copywriting tools. All designs are really awesome, and we can simply create and target a modern website using this theme called Outgrid WordPress theme. Okay, so let us proceed for installation, and I am assuming you have already installed the WordPress core and you got a wonderful and the perfect hosting plan. If not, you will simply follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website and choose a hosting plan, and I am using this shared hosting plan for the demonstration purposes. Our website is looking like this with the default theme, and we are going to install the Outgrid WordPress theme here. So I am here, and I'll go to the WP theme section. I'm in the theme section of this core installation, and I'll click on add new theme, upload theme, and we have to choose the installable theme file that you'll get from the Envato Market. Simply when you will buy the theme through the video description link, you'll get the complete theme pack in the updated formats. So this is only the outgrid.zip that we need to select and click on install now. And it will take a while depending upon your server capacity and internet speed, and you have to wait until it goes fine. And now we have this Outgrid as another theme option along with the default theme. You can check the details. I am using Outgrid version 1.0.1. So let us activate the theme. And once we activated the theme, so we have to install the required plugins first of all. So we can begin installing required plugins, and it is very simple to install the plugins as well. It is installing and activating side by side at its own. We just need to click on this button called install required plugins. So it is very simple and easy to use in interface, and I can see the Elementor is being installed now, and this theme requires following plugins. Okay, so this is the same thing I believe, and Elementor pack is now being activated, that is, and all plugins have been installed and activated successfully. Really it was very easy, and yes, we are here. And now the next thing is the dashboard that we are here, and it automatically come. I did not even click where we have to go at next. So I can see some new links are here in form of navigations and Elementor and Pack Pro and the theme builder and all such things. So we will definitely overview all these things so that you may understand what actually you can do with the Outgrid WordPress theme, how you are going to customize. Then you have to take your buying decision. It is really very important to understand all the theme features that you need for your website before you are finally going to buy it. Yes. So the next screen is here, and I can see multiple options, and demo import is also visible here. But I must show you one thing, which plugins have been installed, so that Elementor Pack Pro is here. Elementor itself, UI Core Animate, UI Core Elements, UI Core Framework. So what is based in this thing? The most of the plugins that we need for our website had been developed by the theme developer itself. So there is no compatibility issue going to come in future. So it is a very, very important thing. So we are getting almost all the necessary plugins here from the theme developers, and only Elementor and Elementor Pack Pro is additional thing that is just for a page building. I mean, Elementor is a page builder. This is not for you. This is my plugin. So I'm using this for multiple resets. Okay. So now we can come back again at this screen. So I was just showing the plugins that we got installed automatically. And now our website is looking like this with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the basic look, and you don't have any content. So of course we need to import the demo content for making a target website like any of these. As is shown, we have 40 plus premium website with the Outgrid WordPress theme, and we can choose any of these demo layouts for our target website. So let us proceed towards the demo import screen and looking to import single page or section. So I found there was an issue. In fact, it was not an issue. We just need to enable the API connection proxy. It was mentioned in the dashboard itself. Now it is fine, and now we are going to import the demo content again. Not again, it is going to be very first time. So run demo import. Before running the demo import, make sure the server status is all green. So we will again check. So it should be green. So server memory is less here. So what I'll do, I'll increase the server memory simply by the wp config file. So it is still rate with 2 GB memory. So it is amazing for me as well. But I am going to proceed with this only. So I return back to the 512 M with server memory, and let us see if it works. So I'm going to show you all these things. And okay, so we can go for demo import. And now I'm going to run the demo import, looking to import a single page or section, or demo import is not working properly. Okay, so we will simply click on run demo import, and this is the screen where we can select what we actually want to have as our demo website. So we have multiple options as I shown you, and I'm going to choose randomly. This digital agency can be good, or this is also finance app, electric, e-learning. Okay. Okay, so this is all good. I'm simply just checking what is available. SaaS, SEO agency, it is really good. Web app. And what is unique? Everything is unique. Political candidate, marketing agency. So we can go for this marketing agency. It is looking something unique for me. So I'm clicking randomly on this. So we are going to import everything, like everything is selected here, page title and archives, pages and all. So let us run this import, and if it works, we will have a demo website for our marketing agency. Just to illustrate, I have selected this. You can choose any of the demo website already available here. And I believe it is going to take time because it is connected to the developer server through API, as I shown you, and it is going to take time, and we have to show our due patience here on this screen. Okay, so let us check on another tab if we are getting media images. So nothing is found here. So it is still working. And let us wait for a while. And now I have just after 2 minutes. So import success was done. Message was here. So I failed to record that screen. But yes, and now it is turned to view site. And now I can even check. We have got multiple images here. So, and I can see we have received only those images that has been used for particular demo website. Not all images has been imported like other themes. So it is not getting cluttered with images that was actually not used for the selected demo. So we have got only those images that we actually need for our selected layout. This is a very important thing, and that we have received only those things. Now, I'm eager to refresh the view the new website as well. So I have received 122 media items, and we have done all these things. And now I'm going to refresh this page. Let us see. Yes, okay. It is amazing. The installation experience and the quality of design is really, really very cool. And I can simply announce that this is going to be a best theme if you are actually willing to choose a multi-purpose WordPress theme for a modern website. And this is really very awesome and outstanding, no doubt. So I'm going to show you rest of things. First, let us check some inner pages. So what we have selected, we have received about us, really good. And this is the case studies and the blog sections. Okay, wonderful. So it goes without saying the installation remained successful with all set of content that we need for this particular website. This is for and what we selected. I just forgot. This is for marketing agency. Yes, wonderful. So we have completed our installation, and now I'm taking you to the dashboard again to show what we have received in this demo import. I'm really very happy to install this theme, and it was a nice experience. And amazingly, this theme is available just for $19 through the video description link. Just go to the links and explore everything for hosting, themes and all. So you have all the things, and the best thing is that once you are following the video description links, you can get a free pass for iCreate, and where you can connect a mentor for completing your WordPress website. Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to show you all the screens. First of all, since it is already open, I'll show you the dashboard. I'm in the theme panel of the Outgrid. So we have already used the demo import. Global colors we can change. So it is completely in our control, where we can change the primary, secondary and accent, headlines, body, dark, neutral, and all the colors that we need to change. Further, fonts can be changed, typography, buttons, and the animations even. So enable animations. So it is really cool. Disable animate control and enable smooth scroll options, Elementor animation style, and the page transition effects, top panel animation, header animation, and the sub animation can be controlled from this screen. This is under animation, so everything is animated if you want. Branding, again, you can change the logo from here, primary, secondary, and the mobile logo, secondary, mobile, top, general settings. So layout, body background, green overlay effect, and the green lines. Okay, so it is really very cool. Top banners, similarly, we have multiple controls like header. We can change what header we want, like classic and the creative, center creative, classic creative, and the left header also hamburger classic and the hamburger center. So there are many head options. Similarly, footers, page title, and some other screens controls are here. So we can simply control our website using these all options. It is really very good. Next, we have this theme options. We have already checked. System, we have already checked. Theme builder is here. So we can further create new areas, new theme elements through these options. Like if it is about header, so we can control the header using this Elementor options. So we can simply edit the portfolio archive. I'm in the header and footer section. So marketing agency header, if you want to edit, you can simply edit the header area using the Elementor page builder. Wonderful. So I'm going to show you. It is going to be easy, in fact. But yes, okay. So you have to edit all the things that you want to change. Okay, so it is something different. Okay, great. Portfolio archive. It is portfolio, not for header, and this is for footer. Similarly, I can see this is some thing. I'm going to my dashboard. Okay, so we have seen the theme builder. Next, Elementor Pro pack. So just in case, the core widgets, the third-party widgets, you can enable or disable it, like accordion is already enabled, advanced button you can use, and whatever you want to use is available here. However, it is up to your choice. But all the necessary things for your selected demo layout is already enabled here. You can enable all these things. So it is really Elementor Pro Pack. So we have multiple options what we want to enable or disable for our website, and further use these elements at Elementor pages, third-party widgets, extension, API settings, and all basic things. Nothing else is here, but yes, this is really a very amazing theme. I really very much appreciate this theme and its control. So I really like the process of installation and the controls we have with this theme. So it goes without saying, you are going to choose this theme for your next website project, and we are here for answering your question. Just in case if you need any support, write in the comment section, join the iCreate program. Everything is here for you. Just start creating your wonderful website, and it is going to be a successful website with Outgrid multipurpose Elementor WordPress theme. No reason not to choose this theme. You have to choose this theme, and I'm not promoting. This is really a wonderful. So this is number one rising star. Of course it is. So the theme came into existence in this year only. This is a new theme, and we are overviewing this theme on the 7th February, and it came into existence in 22nd February 24th. So it is new theme. You are going to get a new layout of your website using this theme. And I believe you like this video, and I believe you are already subscribed to this channel and already pressed the bell button. If not, consider subscribing this channel and pressing the bell button, because I'm bringing all the great WordPress stuffs for your website projects. And don't miss next videos in which I am bringing all great resources for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.